Hello everyone. So today I was looking at this question from Matthew on the community, and this question is about trouble with the email notification. Now, if you have, let us say, set up a project, it could be a service desk based project where you want to receive notifications whenever, let us say, your customers are reaching out to you, then it is of course possible, and this is something that people of course want to do. And what Matthew is talking about here is that it is his own Jira instance where he is unable to receive any email notification. Customers, Jira, I'm unable to receive any email notifications. I'm able to receive email notifications using automation rules. So I believe what is probably missing, I mean, of course, I don't really know the exact reason, but I can probably help Matthew with some troubleshooting. So what we can do in this particular case when you are not receiving any emails, you can go to your Jira instance and you can go to System, and then you can go to this option on the left hand side where there is something called as a notification helper. Now this notification helper is really useful because for a specific user, for example, if I select my username here, I can actually select the issue. For example, let us say I select this issue called Ravi-192, which is the issue key. Now for a specific event, I can then take a look and try to understand whether, as per the configurations right now, will this user, which is of course my user, will get email or not. So it says here Ravi Sagar does not receive notifications for the issue created event, and maybe we can check something else like issue updated, which is of course the same output. Now of course there is some recommendation here. For example, Ravi Sagar is not the reporter, Ravi Sagar is not the current assignee, Ravi Sagar is also not watching the issue. Now it is of course quite clear, or I should say we have some idea about a way to begin. And the next thing that we can do is we can go to the project, and when you go to the project you can then go to the project settings, and when you go to the project settings you can then modify your permission schemes, or no, notification schemes. So in this case we have to go to the notifications, and when you are looking at the notification, of course right now we just have the default notification scheme, which I don't really want to modify. So what I'll do, okay, I'll just modify this, why not. So I'll go to the issue created event, and then I will add maybe the project lead, because I know I am the project lead of this particular project. But you can see here that for different events you have the option to modify the notification scheme based on assignee, reporter, current user, project lead, component lead. So you have so many things that you can take a look at. It could be a single email address, which is something that you can also try, but I think project lead or maybe a component lead. So just take a look at what you want to do here. I think project role makes sense because this project role you can just set it to maybe some role, and you can let your project admins or project managers to modify this list of users which they can add to these roles in their projects. So when you click on the add button, then of course you have the notification scheme saved, and now it says project lead. And if I go back to the notification helper, I can then click on the button again. It says yes, Ravi Sagar will receive notification, and this will probably be not true for the issue updated event, because this particular notification is something that we modified only for the issue creation. But I hope I have given you some ideas, so you can do this, Matthew, and try if this works. And that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.